Alright, you're welcome to this class this time. In our previous class, I did mention there are other methods that can be adopted to construct polygons. It is not all the time you will be asked to draw polygons using the general method. There's one other method that I want to show you where you will be asked to draw, for instance, a pentagon using what is called the 360 degree over n rule. Use the 360 over n rule. This time I want us to use it to construct a pentagon. This pentagon will be having sides to be 60 mm. So how do we go about that? First rule, you know that 360 over n, this time the n is a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, over 5 is going to give us 72 degrees. So let us keep the 72 degrees in mind, and then we are going to start working with that. Okay, the first rule of thumb is you draw your horizontal line as usual using your t-square like this. Draw your horizontal line. I did not measure anything. On your left hand side, just cut a mark, call that mark A. Then you take your compass as we've been doing. You now measure the 60 degree mm from point 0 to point number 6. You can see it here, point number 6. Can you see that? Now put it at A and cut the horizontal line you've already indicated earlier. So you cut this, and that point you call it B. Call that point B. This is 60. There is no need repeating mm. Now the next thing you're going to do, which is more technical now, is this. You bring out your protractor, put this very point here 90 and this horizontal line at A and at B at intervals. This your straight line here goes with your own that you ruled. This is it here. Now on my left, which is A, I'll look for 70. This is 70. This is 80. So 72 should be going towards 80. The mm 1 and 2. So at number 2, 1, 2, I'll get a mark there. Take it to the B point. Also, my 90 is on my B and the horizontal line is there. Now this time the 72 I'm looking for is on my right. Look at 70 here. This is 80. So 72 should be going towards this area. That's 70, 71, 72. So I indicated there. Can you see that? If you miss this point and come and pick 69 this way, you are done with. You failed it. This is 72. Let me check this one out again. On my left, 70, 71, 72. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so we'll now take a ruler, that point and A, you rule it, point and A, just go. I did not measure anything. B and the 72. Can you see that? I go. That's it. Now my compass and my pencil or my pen I'm using is still indicating 60. So put it at A as center and then cut a mark here. You can see, cut a mark there. Put it at B. Cut the mark there. You may decide to call here C and D. With the same radius, put it at C now, that intersection. You can see, can you see that? Cut an arc up. Now with the same radius, put it at D. Can you see that? I cut another arc to form an intersection. So let us call this particular point E. What do I do next? I join C to E. Like this, and then join D to the same E. D to E. That's it. You see, this is now our new pentagon. So this is another method you can use to construct a pentagon. In my next class, I will show you how to use the 60-degree set square to construct a hexagon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to get more questions from you. Like I said, always like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and let's grow together. You see the textbooks. I always tell you to download the free copies. Just click on any of the classes you belong to and download the free copy. I hope to see you next time.